Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the TRENnet TEG-10GECTX, a 10 gigabit PCIe network adapter. This particular unit is a renewed model, which means it's been inspected and approved by TRENnet and comes with a 90-day guarantee. So you can save some money and still have peace of mind. The primary function of this adapter is simple. It converts a standard PCIe slot on your desktop computer into a blazing fast 10G Ethernet port. This is a fantastic upgrade for anyone dealing with large file transfers, high-resolution video editing, or demanding network applications. One of the key features is its support for 802.1q VLAN tagging. This is crucial for network segmentation and security, allowing you to isolate different types of traffic on your network. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just a power user, VLAN support gives you more control over your network. The package includes both standard and low-profile brackets, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of desktop PC cases. This is a thoughtful addition that makes installation a breeze, regardless of your system's form factor. Compatibility is always a concern, but the TEG-10GECTX has you covered with Windows support. This ensures a smooth installation process and reliable performance on your Windows-based system. This adapter is compliant with IEEE 802.38n and 802.3bz standards, ensuring compatibility with other 10G Ethernet devices and supporting speeds beyond Gigabit Ethernet. It also supports N-based technology, allowing for speeds of 2.5 gigabits per second and 5 gigabits per second over existing Cat5e or Cat6 cabling. For those working in government or specific corporate environments, the TEG-10GECTX is NDAA and TAA compliant for use in the US and Canada. In terms of hardware, the Ethernet interface is straightforward, and the black color of the adapter blends in nicely with most PC builds. It's designed specifically for desktop computers and utilizes the widely adopted IEEE 802.3 data link protocol. The adapter itself is lightweight, weighing in at just 2.6 ounces. Now let's talk about performance. While a full 10G network setup is required to truly unleash its potential, even with a slightly slower network, you'll notice a significant improvement in transfer speeds compared to Gigabit Ethernet. Copying large files, streaming high-resolution video, and running network-intensive applications become noticeably smoother and faster. The fact that this is a renewed unit is worth considering. TRENDnet's 90-day guarantee provides reassurance, but it's always wise to thoroughly test the adapter upon arrival to ensure it meets your expectations. Overall, the TRENnet TEG-10GECTX is a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade to 10 gigabit Ethernet without breaking the bank. Its features, compatibility, and the added peace of mind from TRENDnet's renewed guarantee make it a worthwhile investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.